Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Nissan Kicks key battery. First, gather your tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver, a new CR2032 coin cell battery, and a soft cloth to protect your key fob during the process. Having these items ready will make the replacement quick and easy. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually near the key ring attachment. Insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, carefully pry the two halves of the fob apart. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing. It should separate with minimal effort. Once the fob is open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, note its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards, just like the old one. With the new battery in place, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing. Press them together firmly until you hear a distinct click, indicating they are securely fastened. Finally, test your key fob's functions, like locking and unlocking your Nissan Kicks, to ensure everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.